Hey, it's Tyiece here again. So this year I am committed to wearing protective style. So I will be showing you guys how I flat twist my hair this week. So I'm starting with stretch hair that was just left in plaits after my wash day for about a day or two. And this is the result of my hair being stretched. So before I do any protective style, especially where I am twisting or braiding my hair, I like to oil my scalp with an oil just to make sure that my scalp is nourished during that protective style. You don't want your scalp to be dried out and not have the proper nutrients to thrive and allow your hair to grow. That feels so good. Nothing like a nice scalp massage after applying some oil, especially when you're using an oil that actually tingles. So now it's time to get ready to do my flat twist, and today I will be doing a updo flat twist look. So I start by sectioning off a section in the back. So I'm going for chunky flat twist. I'm not making the parts too small because I don't want it to take too long. So this is the width I am going for. So you go horizontal, going straight across, and then you make a part going straight down vertical to separate those two sections. So after separating, I make sure that I moisturize each section at a time before I flat twist my hair so that my hair stays hydrated and it can retain length while it is protective style. So to begin my flat twist, I start by sectioning off a piece of hair as if I'm going to be doing a regular twist. So if you look at my fingers, you can see I am just twisting my hair regularly as if I would, but I will be picking up hair. That is what a flat twist is. So that is the difference between a regular twist and a flat twist. A flat twist, you are picking up a little bit of hair while you twist so that the twist can lay flat to the scalp. And I just continue to flat twist that section until I reach the middle of that section and I no longer have any more hair, and then I just regular twist to the end. Just watch the fingers and you will get the hang of it, and practice makes everything perfect. The more you do it, the better you will get at it. So don't feel bad if it don't come out good at first, because when I started doing this, it did not come out good. I just got better the more I did it. So I've been doing really good at sticking to my new rule of wearing more protective styles. It is already the end of January and I haven't worn my hair out one time this month. So that is so good for me, especially a girl who loves wearing her hair out in in twist outs. This is really working well for me, and I will continue to do this. I've just been rocking flat twists so far, but I do plan on switching it up and doing other things such as like mini twists and bantu knots. I thought of trying some mini braids, but I don't think so. So while you are twisting, make sure that you are applying tension to that twist and holding it tight when you grab that second piece of hair. If you look at my fingers, you can see I'm really gripping that hair with a lot of tension. So this is how your twist is going to come out neat. If you do not apply any tension or, you know, grip it really tight, then it'll come out loose and it'll look frizzy and messy. So that is the key to getting a smooth looking twist. And you don't have to worry about your flat twist being tight, because this hairstyle naturally loosens up on its own. Unlike braids, twists do not stay tight. Once you let go of that twist, it'll loosen up and there won't be any more tension on your scalp. So that is what I love about the flat twist. It doesn't leave the tension on the scalp. So the left side of my head is the less dominant side because I am right-handed. So when you move to the less dominant side of your head, it's going to be awkward and you're not going to be able to position your hands in the way you normally would on the right side. But you will get the hang of it. Just try out different positions until it feels right to you and you'll get the hang of it. As you can see right here, my hand is all over the place and I'm picking up hair a little bit differently and it is a bit awkward on this side, but I definitely got the hang of it right now. So I'm just continuing that flat twist, going straight around. And this hairstyle is a sort of like pompadour updo, so that's the side I'm going for. I usually do straight backs, but I wanted to do it a different way since I'm so used to wearing it that way. It's good to switch things up. It keeps me really engaged with my hair and I don't become bored with my hair because I can't wear my hair the same style every single time. So over here you can see a view of how I am flat twisting, and if you run into any knots, be very gentle and slowly take those knots out. Do not rip it out. So on this side, my index finger is the finger I'm using to pick up the hair, versus on the right side I was using my middle finger. So things are going to get a bit awkward, as I said, and you're going to find yourself twisting a little bit differently. And the part in the middle don't really have to be that straight since it's going to be covered up anyways. We're going to be twisting down the loose ends when we're finished with our flat twist. I love the way my hair looks. Look how healthy and juicy it is. Moisturizing your hair is key when you are doing any hairstyle. It definitely plays a big role in length retention and also how good your hairstyle look. If your hair is dry, then the hairstyle won't look as good compared to if your hair is hydrated. So for the front section, I'm going at a diagonal part right here. So this creates a nice style that I like to go for. I don't really like the straight back look. I like to just make it look a bit more softer. It don't look as harsh. So I use the rat tail comb to part my hair. This creates really, really precise parts when you use the end of the comb. So keep that in mind. So for the front, I'm following the same method, except I am adding a bit of edge control to the edges, so this allows the hair to lay sleek in the front while I flat twist it. So right here you can see I am picking up my 2 sections of hair to begin my flat twist, and then I just continue going straight back. And here's a clearer view of the front. Look at how satisfying that twist look. Oh my goodness, flat twisters does something to me. I love seeing them and they're so satisfying to do as well. So this is how the flat twist is coming out, and then I'm going to move on to the other sections. And as you can see, now I am back on that less dominant side and my hands are in a different position, and it does feel awkward, but I'm getting it done and just readjusting until it feels a bit normal. So I'm on to the last section of my hair. Finally, I'm happy. So this entire hairstyle takes me about an hour to do, and that's the thing I love about this flat twist, is that it doesn't take as long. So that's why I purposefully do chunky flat twists. So now I am just twisting up the loose sections of the hair in the back so that my hair and my ends can be nice and protected and they can stay hydrated. So I'm just grabbing that twist and wrapping it over that entire section of twist, and I just continue to twist until I reach another section and then wrap it over that entire section. And this is what you call a true protective style, when all of your ends are out and your ends are not visible at all. These are the best protective style. Your hair is truly being protected well. And the purpose of these hairstyles is to preserve your ends and keep them nice and strong and hydrated. So this hairstyle is so perfect. If you are looking to retain length this year, definitely add this to your routine and check it out. So to pin those ends, I just use a bobby pin and tuck all of those ends nice and under, and everything is out of the way. So this is the end result of the hairstyle. So I just like to train my edges to lay flat for a few hours. This helps them to stay nice and sleek for a few days, so I don't have to keep reapplying edge control or brushing them up. So don't skip this part if you want a sleek look. And finally, this is how my hair came out. This is actually the following day of wearing this hairstyle, and it is nice and sleek. And this is a perfect protective style. It looks great. I love going for the chunky look. It doesn't take as long, and it also looks really nice. Very gentle on the scalp. Definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a rating, subscribe for weekly videos, and let me know what type of protective styles are you wearing to retain as much length this year.